Hello. Yeah, so about double save with autocomplete edit and autocomplete new. Sorry about this one. The autocomplete pro, I understand that when autocomplete pro is enabled, and there is one more functionality like do not verify when autocomplete pro is enabled. Just use that one. And I thought I made some changes and I thought it should work but it was not working. The older component use Apex to like update the fields, but now we are using Lightning component. We are not using like Apex to update any fields or to verify the records. So now I have done this change. So let's see how it's work. Like so that so in this record test account A 8 by 3 B, these two records are like verified here, and the fields billing, county, billing, latitude and longitude are already populated. Everything is here. So two things that you I think asked, apart from that it was not working. One is the footnote, and the second thing is it should clear all these fields because autocomplete pro will not return anything obviously. So let's see how the edit component works. So if I come here and like just remove this one and choose something from autocomplete, let's say I choose this one, and try to save. So what will happen that autocomplete will not like let this one verify, and it will just say that the confirm entire address is valid, verified by Smart Street Pro autocomplete. So this is it's look like this one, and these fields are cleared now. So I think this is how it should work. Please let me know about that, and let's check the new component. I also modified the new one as well. Uh, so let's see. And I'm using autocomplete option here, and I'm going to like use manually insert something here so that we can see the difference. The first one will be like just it will just verify the fields and do nothing, but second one will like verify from APIs. This is the newly created record, and you can see that this second one, the shipping address is verified through API. So it says like city, state, zip, street all are valid, zip plus 4 matched, confirm entire address is valid, verified by Smart Street. But the first one, which is billing address, it's like just confirm and use the autocomplete pro. So you see this is all clear, and this got the other fields as well. So I think it's working fine now. Please check and let me know that it's working fine. The changes that we have done for the okay, it's the second one, which is change result from a Smart API and known address. I think once it's approved this is a task, I should move the changes to the autocomplete edit and new as well. And what I'm saying is that if some address is like confirm maybe undeliverable status, the autocomplete edit and new, even the new components will say that it's invalid because the changes are not there right now. So I will make the changes as well after this one is done, the second one. Please check and let me know. Thank you.